Hey, how you guys all doing? Just doing a video here on my Sapelli wood. Just putting some clear polyurethane on it. This is a... forgot what the hell it's called. Shit. Anyway, it's a real piece of wood on top of wood. Expensive as shit. Anyway, maybe you guys never heard of it. Called Sapelli. Anyway, I want you to see what we're doing tonight on the Humvee. Camper ambulance conversion. It's a little dark. Let's see if we can turn the light on. Having a heated floor installed. As my buddy is on his phone. Yeah.
See?
What?
Yeah, I got a space mount.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, somewhere.
Alright, so that's the heated floor for the camper conversion. For my plumbing. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing really well, and hopefully you guys can watch more videos. I want to show you this really sick converter. This is the Exantrix Legend 3000 watt, which is going in the camper. It's really cool. And then waterfall shower, central heat. I already have the air conditioning for this. It's up there, you can kind of see it. So I'm letting this dry for another coat. Very pretty, huh? You can really see the grain in there. Right there. Well, please like and subscribe. We'll be shooting some more videos soon. Have a great night.